In this video, we're going to show you how to perform the oil life reset on your Ford F-150 inside the vehicle. Now from inside the vehicle, with the key in the on position or the truck running, want to come on over to the steering wheel side here. You're going to have 4 arrows on the left hand side with an OK button in the middle. Now if you have the temperature or something displayed like this on the screen, want to go to the left arrow and press that. That's going to bring up our menu. Use the down arrow to cycle down to the settings, and then use the right arrow to open up the settings. Use the down arrow to advanced settings, right arrow to open that up, right arrow to open up the vehicle. And here it's going to give you some details. You use your down arrow to cycle through what we want, and we can see the oil life reset. Use the right arrow to open that up, and it says 75%. Now to reset this to 100%, we're going to press and hold the OK button. It is now reset. You can release, and then you can go back to the main menu. And there it is. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.